Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Today in this video, I'm going to share the details about some more job openings with NIT. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 openings. The first opening is for the quality analyst, second opening is for the voice and non-voice process, and the third opening is for the sales counselor. So I've broke down this video into 3 parts, and in the first part, we'll be discussing about the job location, number of vacancies, and the complete job description. In the second part, we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria, and in the third part, we will be discussing about the salary package and how you can apply for this job. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, you are requested to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. And yes, at the end, if you will like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button, because your one like gives me motivation to make more videos. Namaste everyone, I'm Sheetal. I welcome you all on my channel Rising Partner. So let's get started. So let's talk about our first profile, which is a quality analyst profile. Total number of vacancies are 10. Job location is Gurgaon. If I talk about the job profile, so you will be responsible for the quality analysis and quality check. You need to identify if there is a gap in the process. NIT has lots of processes with them. So you will be given certain processes and you need to identify if there is a gap or any kind of quality improvement is required, then you will have to work on that. So you will be completely responsible for the quality. If I talk about the eligibility criteria, so they are looking for a person who is graduate, who has at least 1 year of experience into quality, and a person with excellent communication skills. If I talk about the salary part, you can get between 2 to 5 lakhs rupees of package per year. And how you can apply for this job, I'm giving you link in the description box. You can go and you can directly apply on that particular link. Let's talk about a second profile, which is a voice and non-voice profile. If you will see the title of that particular profile, you will see telecaller profile. Okay, so and if you will go through the job description, you will see there is mentioned that you will be supporting the customer through voice and through the chat. So number of vacancies are 15. Job location is again Gurgaon, and you will be providing the support to the customer through voice and chat, and you need to make at least 120 to 150 calls in a day. So if you are capable enough to handle these much of call, you can apply for this job. If I talk about the eligibility criteria, so a person who is graduate, a person who has excellent communication skills, written and verbal both, a person with at least 1 year of experience can apply for this particular opening. Let's talk about our third profile, which is a sales counselor profile. Okay, so this profile is open for 2 locations, Delhi and Ambala location. Total number of vacancies are 6, and if you stay nearby to Delhi or in Delhi, you can apply for this job. If you are staying in Ambala, then you can apply for this job. Let's talk about exactly what you will have to do in this particular profile. You should know the details about the nearby colleges, schools, coaching centers and all. You will have to go there. You will have to do the engagement activities over there. Okay, and you will be responsible for the admissions. You will be responsible for the following the complete admission process. You will be responsible to maintain your relationship with colleges, principals and the coaching centers as well. So if I talk about the eligibility criteria, they are looking for a person who has at least 1 year of experience into sales, a person with excellent communication skills, a person who is graduate, a person who is sales oriented, a person who actually wants to work for sales. They are looking for that kind of person. And if I talk about the salary part, so you can get between 2.75 lakhs to 4.50 lakhs per annum. And how you can apply for this job, again I'm giving you link in the description box. You can go and apply on that particular link, or you will see a contact number in the job description. You can call on that particular contact number and you can schedule your interview. So I hope I have given enough details in this video, but still if you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I will see you soon with a new and informative video. I'm Sheetal, signing off for today. Thanks for watching.